We must know that in our forest today, we have the kidnappers in our forest. We have the herdsmen in our forest. We have the cultists in our forest. We have all sorts of criminals in our forest. And so anybody staying in the forest is taking a risk. If a criminal kills an Igbo man in Jigawa State for staying in a place he's not supposed to stay, the governor of Jigawa will not take responsibility for that. So when we say that people should move out of forest, it is for their own safety and security. When we say farmers should stop going to farm in the forest and going there alone, it is for their own safety and security. So I support that bandits and farmers and herdsmen and cultists should be flushed out of our forest. The Ebonyi State government will not take responsibility for any cultist that is killed in the forest. The herdsman in the forest may have good intention. The farmer in the forest may have good intention. But the kidnapper doesn't have good intention. The cultist doesn't have good intention. Other bandits, they don't have good intention. So how do I protect you when I don't even know where you are? So it's very important that we all join to say that our forest should be cleared of all kinds of bandits and activities that the state government are not in the know.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.